Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 3.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.9% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tesla said their customers will need patience to get their Tesla cars, as the manufacturer of electric vehicles is affected by the wall of headaches that stands in front of the entire automotive sector. The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted supply chains. Britain's competition watchdog said that the London Stock Exchange Group and Quantile Group have until May the 10th to offer acceptable undertakings to avoid an in-depth investigation into their merger. Binance has been granted approval from regulators to operate its cryptocurrency exchange in France. The company is now listed as a registered digital asset service provider by the French stock market watchdog AMF.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's exports will be released at 0130 GMT. The US unit labour costs at 1230 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 1230 GMT. The French industrial output will be released at 0645 GMT. Germany's factory orders at 0600 GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary at 1100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.